Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome to Travel Tips Channel, your go-to source for wanderlust-inspiring content. Let's explore the world together. Today we go to Playa del Carmen, Mexico, a destination that needs no introduction. Situated in the heart of the Riviera Maya, this stunning paradise is a favorite among travelers from all over the world. With its turquoise waters, pristine white sand beaches, and vibrant culture, it's no surprise that so many people come here to escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enchanted by the vibrant energy of Playa del Carmen. The bustling pedestrian streets are lined with colorful shops, restaurants, and bars, offering a delightful mix of local and international flavors. Whether you're looking for traditional Mexican cuisine, fresh seafood, or international fare, you're sure to find something that satisfies your taste buds. As you wander down the famous Fifth Avenue, you'll encounter a plethora of shopping options, ranging from souvenirs and handmade crafts to high-end fashion brands. Don't forget to sample some of the delicious local street food along the way, such as mouth-watering tacos, refreshing fruit juices, and tasty churros. But the real jewel of Playa del Carmen is its beach. With its clear, warm waters and powdery white sand, it's no wonder why this beach is so popular among tourists. Take a dip in the refreshing water, soak up the sun on the beach, or try out some of the many water activities available, such as snorkeling, diving, or kayaking. Of course, there's much more to Playa del Carmen than just the beach. If you're up for some adventure, head to one of the nearby adventure parks, such as the Xcaret or Xplor, where you can zipline, cave explore, or swim with dolphins. If you're more interested in a relaxing vacation, you can take part in yoga classes, indulge in spa treatments, or embark on a sunset cruise. Getting around Playa del Carmen is easy, with many transportation options available. Taxis and buses are readily available and affordable, and many tourists choose to rent a car to explore the surrounding areas at their own pace. And when it comes to prices, Playa del Carmen is generally quite reasonable, with plenty of options available for travelers on a budget. Despite its popularity, Playa del Carmen still retains its local charm and authenticity, with friendly locals, colorful architecture, and a lively cultural scene. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, Playa del Carmen is the perfect destination for anyone who wants to experience the ultimate Mexican paradise. So what are you waiting for? Book your trip to Playa del Carmen today and discover all the wonders that this beautiful destination has to offer. From delicious food and stunning scenery to thrilling adventures and endless relaxation, Playa del Carmen has something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel tips and destination inspiration. Keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next one.